Mga kapadyak, it's our last day here in Pratunam, Bangkok, Thailand. So as usual, itong parating kasama namin si McDonald's kung breakfast. So breakfast muna kami. Ang aming flight mamayang 8 pa, pero dapat maaga kami mag-check-in or punta ng airport. Once again mga kapadyak, thank you for joining with us. Pagkasama mo sa amin dito sa 8 days. So this is our 8th day, last day dito sa Pratunam, Bangkok, Thailand. Thank you for watching. Okay, so dito na kami sa DMK Airport sa Bangkok, Thailand. So nag-bolt kami from our hotel papunta dito. Nabayad kami mga 400 baht. So una pinuntahan namin dito ay yung tax refund. So ang eligible lang talaga sa tax refund ay yung may orange na form. Ang walang orange form, so hindi siya eligible for VAT refund. And then binilang kung umabot ng more than 20,000, mayroon itatax na stamp. But kung wala nakaabot ng 20,000 baht ang pinamili with yellow form, diretso na after immigration. So doon na magpapa VAT refund. So ngayon, ipapabalot muna namin ang wrap muna ang aming mga baggage para safe. Yan mga baggage. Sige. So around 250 baht ang magparap nitong baggage. Okay. So pa-wrap namin itong mga baggage namin para safe. babay na Thailand. So, boarding. Boarding na kami. See you sa uli. Thank you for watching ang aming series na mga vlogs. Thank you. Sana nagustuhan niyo yung aming pag-share sa inyo ng aming trip papunta dito sa Bangkok, Thailand. Ito ay ang birthday trip, anniversary trip, vacation trip, 3 in 1. Thank you for watching.
And the weather base shall be reported by Robson. Our sincere apologies for the delay of this flight. It is due to the late arrival of this aircraft. And for the meantime, just sit back, relax, and have a fun flight with us. Should you need any assistance, at the back, please don't hesitate to call on the...
Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the captain turns off the present seatbelt sign. Please check your surroundings to ensure you do not leave any of your personal belongings behind. Exercise caution in opening the overhead bins and heavy items to remove during the flight. On behalf of the entire Cebu team headed by our flight director, Captain Christopher Lozano, and First Officer Tyrone Lau, together with your cabin crew, we would like to thank you for making Cebu Pacific a part of your important moment. It's truly a pleasure having you all on board and we hope to fly you to more fun in the future.